What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back on the Coyote today. We haven't done an update on Lee's car in a while, and the reason being is the transmission was being built. So what did we do to the 6R80 transmission? Basically, it got upgraded clutches, upgraded input shaft. I believe that was it. Yeah. Just better clutches, stronger, I believe, billet input shaft, all that. So the transmission is upgraded. It is strong. It is ready for boost. And if you've got one of these transmissions, it's definitely a good upgrade to do when you're going to add big power. So the next thing that we've got is right over here. Yes. Look at that bad boy. And this is a, you said it's a 3C.
I think that's what he said.
Maybe a 3C. Let's see here. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty awesome. Circle D converter, and we don't have anything that really tells us exactly what it is. But oh well, guys. I think it's a 3C converter. But either way, it's the correct converter for the car, you know, via, you know, the boost that's coming for it, the transmission. 3C is the name of the converter. So what?
Pro Series Stage 3.
Pro Series, nice, very nice. All right, boys. So that is on the docket today. We're going to get the converter in the built transmission, get the brand new Cook's headers installed on the car, get the transmission in the car, and then basically at that point, all we're waiting on is the Gen 5 Whipple, which hopefully, fingers crossed, will be here before you know it. All right, boys, so real quick, let's check out the exhaust for the notch. We've got some 3-inch Flowmaster tailpipes, and then looks like MagnaFlow 3-inch mufflers. And Lee actually bought these mufflers off some guy on eBay, right?
Sure, pretty, huh?
They're freaking brand new. No one's ever even, I don't think anybody's even handled them. So we got the 3-inch Flowmaster tails.
Use that to put your makeup on, huh?
No, I'm telling you what. Look at that. And then you got 3-inch Flowmaster tailpipes right here. Now we got to get the brand new design Cook's headers and X-pipe down. We'll be able to see some really sick exhaust. All right, boys. The brand new redesigned Cook's X-pipe. Let that go on. Got our hardware there. All stainless, boys. Gotta love it.
Like some golden duck line, huh?
Yeah, I've never seen that before. Very nice. Look at that. There's the other side there. Then we got the X down here. Oh, she's pretty, boys. Yeah, this is the redesigned one, y'all. And the reason I say that is before, that was the old design up there. I'm not sure if you can see it right there. But that's the old design. That's what I had on my car and Lee had on his car previously. But this is the new style. They're robot cut and welded. I got to see those made. That was pretty awesome. So, got our X-pipe, and then we're going to have some 3-inch flow tubes right here connecting all that. And then these, boys, are the brand new Coyote swap headers. All right, gentlemen, the brand new, oh yeah, the brand new redesigned Cook's Coyote swap headers. in 1 inch and 7/8, guys. And I'm gonna take a sidebar. If you guys have a Coyote, definitely do the 1 inch and 7/8. They made a noticeable difference on my car. I was actually kind of surprised that I could feel a difference. I was thinking I would lose some torque, but I didn't. Actually felt like it picked up. Yeah, this is the quickest way you can tell these are the redesigned ones, is this tube disconnects. So yeah, boys, she's gonna be flowing a lot more air out the rear. All right, boys, so here is the deal. We got all the old exhaust out of here, and of course the transmission was already out of here. You know that. The fuel tank is already out. Gonna be doing the on-3 fuel system in that, so we're gonna put that in there, and also got to do all the Viking coilovers and all that good stuff on the car. So we got a pretty full day of stuff up under here. Probably not gonna get it all done today, but I'm trying to at least get the headers on, get the transmission in, and make some progress up front here, and then just kind of go from there. So that's the deal, boys. Get after it. It is. If you did not see when we did the fuel system in the Whipple Supercharged Coyote Swap convertible, this is the exact same setup. It's on 3 again, and it's a triple pump. So basically that means the hat here in the tank has 3 340 in tank pumps, and then you got your line. Those fuel lines are big, y'all. It's definitely fun running all the lines. But it comes with the tank, and then the lines and the pumps and the basically everything here. Let's see. I think we got a checklist right here. Let's see what everything says here. You got your tank. You got your AN fittings. You got a -8 and you got a -10 feed and -8 return. He did not get the pressure regulator. Got the hat, instructions, then 2 E85 on 340 LPH pumps. Add 1 right here. Fuel level sender, and then it's got a controller kit as well, because basically the third pump only
If you open the opposite end of the box, this gasket's here.
Ah, yes, there it is.
I couldn't find it the first one I did. So.
That's good information to have. Don't throw your box away. But yeah, guys, it's also right here is the controller. All right, boys, so check out this controller here real quick. Pretty good fuel system. Like I said, guys, this is the one we put on the convertible. So there's your -8 and -10 lines. One, two,
and 3.
and 3 340 pumps.
Comes with wiring, fuse
Power.
block.
There is the setup. Now, how does this setup work? Again, you get 3 hots, right?
Yeah, you basically run a power and a ground to this, and then you got each of your pumps get power from this too. So.
And then power right there. So fuel system done. All right, boys. So what do we got in the second box? We got fuel level sender right there for your gauge, and a very nice. That's nice.
Yes.
That's billet, isn't it?
It is.
We got a billet triple hat, boys. Look at there. 1, 2, 3. That is a very, very nice kit. And we got some more wiring, and then of course you got all your AN fittings and instructions, fuses. Boom. Love it. All right, boys, real quick. If you're looking at doing this on 3 fuel system, putting it in a Fox body, comes with this here. And this basically what this does, the filler neck has to be changed to a 9904, like an Edge car style filler neck. The stock Fox body filler neck is not going to work. So basically you got to get a 9904 filler neck and cut it down, shorten it, because it's going to be a little bit too long, and put that in there, because the stock Fox body one will not work. So just bear that in mind if you're looking at the on-3 fuel system. Other than that, it's a pretty inexpensive kit. Works really well. All right, boys, so here is the deal. Spared you the fantastic excitement of putting the transmission back in the car, but it is back in. Got the Stifler's cross member holding her up. Again, boys, upgraded clutches, upgraded hardened input shaft, and then the 3C Circle D converter. So what are we doing now on the car? We've got to get the brand new Cook's headers on the car and do the exhaust and all that, guys. I showed you that earlier. Full 3-inch stainless exhaust. It's gonna be awesome. Got to get the fuel system going. The most labor intensive part of doing this fuel system is running those large lines from the tank all the way up to the front. So the fuel system is going to take a little while. Got to do all of that and then do all the coilovers, front and rear. The Viking coilover is going to make the car a little more drag oriented because Lee's wanting to go fast down the 1/4 mile. So guys, she's going to be nasty. So that is pretty much what is going on. Real quick, Jeremy's car is still being wired, guys. Lots and lots and lots of wiring, and we're also waiting for a crap ton of fuel parts. We need all the fittings for the fuel system. He's got the full aeromotive system. So we're waiting on parts for that. We're going to plumb the fuel system and wire the car simultaneously before the rest of the build gets rolling, just because it makes more sense to do it that way. But as you can see, boys, we got wires for days everywhere. And then, of course, George's car, doing body harness wiring, stuff like that. This thing's going to be nasty. And if you're new to the channel, this is a 2017 Coyote crate engine VMP supercharger T56 Magnum transmission. And this is a 2017 Gen 2 Coyote with a Whipple supercharger and a T56 out of an 03 Cobra. Both cars are going to be nasty, guys, I'm telling you. Well, all 3 cars are going to be nasty, I promise you. You are not going to want to miss it. So there you go, boys. That is the update. Just kind of as parts come in, guys, and as we have time, we're working through everything. Lots of stuff going on with the F-150s, the F-100s. I've got a Gen 3 F-100, or excuse me, F-150 Lightning rendition clone / tribute build. So keep it tuned for that. And of course, hopefully as spring comes, we're going to get out to some events, see you guys, hang out with you guys. Then, of course, June 6th, Ford Takeover, Jackson Jagway, Jackson, Tennessee. Check it out on Facebook. More information there. Please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And, guys, I have got to go. My mouth is dry. And I'm tired of talking. I'm sure you're tired of listening, so I'm going to shut up now. Later.